A key part of lecturing in mathematical disciplines is leading students through worked examples. This is why whiteboard-based learning is ubiquitous in mathematics departments throughout the world. However, this style of teaching does have its downsides. For example, students who have support arrangements may struggle to take in all the information presented on the board. For this and other reasons, lecture capture has started to become more widespread. But recording whiteboard lectures has often not been as straightforward as capturing a screen. The recent development of tablet computers is excellent for the teaching of mathematics. Through combining a PDF editor with a projector, we can create a whiteboard-like environment for working through problems while allowing the easy inclusion of media or other materials. The projected content can then be captured with the lecture capture system. The use of tablet computers allows for many different lecturing styles, from whiteboard replacement through the use of gapped notes or full slides with annotations, depending on the lecturer's preference. Finally, after the lecture is over, rather than having to clean off a set of whiteboards never to be seen again, the lecturer has a full set of notes which are given in the lecture, which could be distributed to the class, given to a select few students with special requirements, or simply used as a reference.